Hey guys, this is Ozzie from Wanderlust Awe Syndrome, where I provide unique views, advice, and stories for you, the passive traveler. If you're looking to go to Europe and plan to use the transportation system out there, I am going to tell you how to use it effectively. I recommend that you use the European transportation system when you go out to Europe or any European countries, particularly those in the Euro system. I think they are phenomenal. It's one of the best systems I've ridden on in all of the world. I just know that this is an awesome system where you can visit multiple countries in such a short amount of time. So I'm going to tell you how to effectively use it so you can prepare for your next trip. The biggest and most important thing that you need to do if you're planning to use the European transportation system when you get out there is know the system. You need to know the system in order to effectively know where to go and how to get on the trains or get the bus that you need to go to somewhere. I learned this the hard way when I went to Belgium. What happened was my plan was to rent a car, but I forgot my driver's license when I got out to Belgium, so I had no choice but to use the public transportation system. Because of that and no planning, because I didn't expect to use it, I got lost and I didn't know where the train system was at the airport. I didn't know where to go. It took a lot of time that I could have been using to going to my hotel and getting there. So when I finally figured out with some help, I managed to get the ticket, get on the train, and figure out where I needed to go to get dropped off. Unfortunately, when I got dropped off, I took the wrong exit and it was pouring outside in Brussels. So I not only got drenched, but my luggage got drenched because I did not plan on using the transportation system. So my advice to you is if you're going to use the transportation system, even if you think you're going to rent a car, know where everything is. Know the system so you know if you, like me, forget your driver's license or you change your mind about renting a car, you have a game plan that you can set up. Say, okay, I need to go here. This is where I need to go buy a ticket, and this is the exits I need to get off so I can get to my destination as fast as possible. Buying early is very important. I think this is going to save you a lot of time. If you can buy your tickets in advance at home rather than while in Europe, you're going to save a lot of time. Another factor is if you're using like a SIM card or your Wi-Fi hub out there, it might not work so well. You might have very difficult issues trying to buy a ticket out there. Also, some credit cards might not work out there depending on what you're using to pay it. So it's going to be very difficult. I recommend that you buy early prior to going out to Europe if you're going to use the transportation system. This is going to save you tons of time and probably money because you might get some discounts if you buy early. So my advice to you is buy as soon as you can when you know you're going to go out to Europe with certain dates and stuff like that. Public restrooms is another thing you need to be aware of when you go use public transportation systems. So for example, if you're waiting on a bus, you might have to use the restroom while you're waiting. The thing about public restrooms in Europe is they are very difficult to find. One, and two, they cost money. And the reason they cost money is because they want to keep it as clean and neat as possible. So you have to bring some kind of money, euros in this case, to be able to use some of the public restrooms at maybe a bus stop or a train station. So make sure that you bring enough money, particularly coins, because they go around somewhere between maybe 50 cents euros to up to $1 or dollar or €1 depending on where you're going. So make sure you have enough money, particularly in coins, to use the restroom. So if you do need to use a restroom while you're waiting, you can use it immediately. If you need to charge your device, such as your smartphone or your tablet, make sure that you have an outlet adapter. Many public transportation systems will have outlets that you can hook up, but if you're like me, who come from the United States, you need to bring an adapter to be able to convert or adapt to the power outage from that vehicle. So my advice to you is make sure that you bring an adapter to save you time and allow you to charge your battery, because you never know when you might need it, such as you might need it to use your GPS to figure your hotel or go to your favorite restaurants. But having that on hand will help you in the long run. So make sure that you bring an outlet adapter for you to be able to charge your stuff. If you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and share this video to anyone who's looking to go to Europe and use the public transportation system. Again, the public transport system is amazing out there. They're very punctual, it's very clean, and it's very safe to use. So anyone who's using that, let them know about this video. Also, check out my other videos. Whether you are a rookie or a veteran passenger traveler, these videos are here to help you plan for your next travel, depending on where you want to go. So I just want to say thank you for checking out this video, this channel, myself. I appreciate you guys very much. Thank you.